Did you know that millions of Americans struggle to build credit even when they have good financial habits? Many believe that you need a lot of money or big purchases to start building your credit score, but it's not true. The key is consistency in payments and keeping balances low. Even a small amount can help you build solid credit from scratch. Imagine your credit score like a seedling. You need to water it regularly for it to grow, not just plant a big tree all at once. Start with a secured credit card or a store credit card that requires little money down as your first step. Remember, every month you make on-time payments is like adding water to that plant. It grows slowly but surely. For example, if you keep your card balance under 30% of its limit and pay on time for 1 year, you can see a significant improvement. Now, this is general advice. Everyone's financial journey is unique, so it's always best to consult with a professional for personalized guidance. Subscribe and learn how Money Mechanics decodes credit systems you might not know about. Your financial knowledge grows with every video.